Now today we're going to brief discuss about reading tips and techniques. Yes, tips and techniques for band 9. So let's talk about, first of all, the first thing, understanding the reading test format. If you don't know the format, then definitely you might do a lot of mistakes. You don't know how to attempt, and always you focus about it, you're panic about it. My god, what happened to the reading? Because format mean in passage 1, passage 2, passage 3, what type of questions are there, what the passage is about, how to handle all these questions. So first of all, you must know the format, reading format. It will be easier for you. Every single passage you consume, you invest your 20 minutes to solve it. Next point, which is about mention the different types of question. Mean you must aware what type of questions are there and how to handle them, where you get the answer in sequence. Type of question, their answer in sequence, step by step. It will be easier for you to secure, to save your time. But type B question, random answers, very time consuming. So you must know the format, how you get the answer random and how you get the answer in sequence of thought. Next thing is where the old candidates, okay, they do the biggest mistake, that is about skimming and scanning techniques. Skimming mean you're reading, not reading, you're reading fast, a bit fast, and you're not going to translate every single word. Read quickly. For example, in a passage there are 7 paragraphs. Read it out, first 2 sentences of every paragraph, underline 2 to 3 keywords of each paragraph in the beginning because you have just started your Ielts. Okay, so this is skimming. Mean underline the keywords. Keywords tell you what the paragraph is about. All right, because first line of the paragraph is about topical sentence. Got it? And the next step is about scanning. What you do with the scanning, read out the questions and their keywords. This is called scanning. Match the keywords of questions, keywords of the passage. This is called what? You get the jump. You get the understanding of skimming and understanding of scanning, and you match the keywords. Sometimes keywords match with the synonym as well. When you find out the right paragraph, over there intensive reading is required. Mean over there techniques tell you where is the answer. Techniques never tell you what is the answer. I repeat, techniques never tell you what is the answer. Techniques only guide you, okay, lead you in which paragraph answer is exist. And after that, examiner is going to play the tricks and techniques with you where? In question, difficult question, confusing question, all right, which is not understandable. Sometimes not given is a trap, just like one example is there. So not given is such a trap which wastes your time. Okay, next tip, which is about the time management. And time management emphasize importance of managing time effectively. You must know in paragraph 1, invest or consume your 17 minutes. Passage 2, consume your 17 minutes, but the passage 3 length is comparatively long, lengthy as compared to passage 1 and 2. Got it? So you require 25 minutes for passage 3. In that way, if you gradually do your practice step by step, you will able to handle the passages in 60 minutes, 3 passages, and you at the same time you transfer your answers. They don't give you the extra time. So the given time is 60 minutes, including that 60 minutes you transfer, mean direct transfer your answers on answer sheet. Let's talk about the next thing, which is about, okay, mean sequence questions is easy for you. Sequence answer, you save your time, you manage your time. Random question like list of the heading or which paragraph contain the following information, it will be what? It will be quite difficult, time consuming. So you have to practice, you build your skills about it. Okay. And the next is random practice under time condition. Whenever you do the practice, note your time. I've experienced about students, they didn't register their date, they don't consider the time management. And when suddenly they get the register their date of Ielts exam, they start working on that. But I would say when you start your reading, okay, Ielts classes, focus the reading in time management. Whenever you do your reading, focus the time. Write down on the passage its time, starting time and closing time. And the next is vocabulary. Vocabulary does matter, all right? What you require Ielts vocabulary, go for different articles, which is daily routine or official different kind of magazine. It will help you to enhance your Ielts vocabulary, which will help you out to get 9 band. And the next thing, which is about, I've written over here, provide strategies. Okay, tackle each type of question, create some strategies. You have your brain. When you observe, you can create your own strategies rather than go for the YouTube or what they are talking about. Why don't you create your own strategies? It will help you out more because you know yourself more to use your brain to utilize it. Got it? For example, you're doing MCQs, write down on the right space, there is a blank space, you write down annotation. Annotation means what MCQs is about. Every question annotation, it will be easier for you to get the right answer. Next, I'm going to talk about focus the keyword. If you ignore the keywords, focus keywords mean what? If you focus your panic, your office work, all right, it's not possible for me, my translation is weak, got it, a lot of things. If your focus is distract by different elements, you can't read, you're reading for nothing. If you think your focus is not good, then try to get set a time. Okay, set your time where your focus is there. You don't have any official work, domestic work, social interaction or gathering. Got it? Some students, they waste their time. They're enjoying in hustle, bustle, gup shop. Okay, you do as well. Okay, and they're doing the reading at the same time. Okay, your answer, my answer is the same. So they gossip about different answer question and enjoying the reading. But you require sincerity, seriousness, rather than gossip about. Next, paying attention is a habit. Develop your habit of paying attention. And how you pay? Very easy and very simple, because the more you focus about it, what the band you required. You pay your attention, give importance to your time, give importance to your money you consume, whatever the center you get over there. So pay your attention, you get the right result. Other than this, if you have translation problem, do that one. Go for the different historical books and enhance your reading. And on the other hand, if you have the problem with the grammatical translation, it's very easy. I don't think more than 3 to 4 days you required to understand the structures of the grammar, sentence making, variety of sentences, connecting words, and variety of lengthy sentences. And you don't need to translate very lengthy sentences. Make its parts. Got it? Different parts, and step by step you translate into your own language to understand. In the beginning you translate, but with the passage of time, don't translate. Think in English, speak in English, read in English, and understand in English. Got it? And stay with us. Okay, subscribe our channel. We'll get some online classes as well. Okay, you will do some sort of Ielts master class online. You can join us on Zoom. Right in the comment box what kind of difficulties you're facing nowadays in Ielts reading. So subscribe our channel, which is very important to connect, to stay together. Stay together mean you are sincere to solve your problems. Definitely, we are just in collaboration. If you get the benefit, we also get the benefits. For that one, we have to keep together by doing feedback, liking, subscribing. So this is it. If I give you the benefit, you give me the benefit. Thank you, so nice of you from right all about this reading, okay, discussion. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.